Today we are evaluating the order of operations expression, 4 minus 3 times 2 plus 7. We will analyze the operator priority to simplify the string. Identify the operator with the highest priority rank. According to the rules of PEMDAS, multiplication must be performed before subtraction or addition. This makes the product of 3 and 2 the mandatory starting position. Calculate the product in the middle. Multiplying 3 by 2 equals 6. Replace the multiplication block with 6, updating the running expression to 4 minus 6 plus 7. The remaining operations are subtraction and addition, which share the same priority rank. When operators share equal priority, calculate strictly from left to right. So our next step is to evaluate the subtraction on the left, 4 minus 6. Perform the subtraction step on the left. Subtracting 6 from 4 results in negative 2. This leaves one final addition step, negative 2 plus 7. Perform the final addition step to complete the problem. Adding 7 to negative 2 results in exactly 5.